Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video, and in this video I'll show you how you can play Roblox without downloading the application. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. What you're going to be doing over here is to do so, all you gotta do is access your browser and then type in Roblox to get their Roblox official website. You're gonna access the website, and from over here you're gonna go to the login section, and you're gonna use your email and login. You gotta make sure you add your username, your email, or your phone number that is connected with your account. And once you have added that, tap on login, and you will be able to get logged into your Roblox right over there, and you can start playing your games, and you can use it however you would prefer, like you would do in your application. This is all it takes to do so. Hope this video helped you all. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.